Taking that stone down your street alone, and the walls criticize where I have gone. I'm throwing that stone through your open door, and the halls seem to tell me I am wrong. I'm taking the long way home, where everything's